Hello everyone. Welcome to this presentation. We want to look at 2022 paper 1 GCE. All right. So we'll try to solve a number of questions. Also want to say thank you to those people that joined our lesson, our platform, during they just entered the GCE exams. All right. So you're welcome. Join us. If you're grade 9, you're grade 10, you're grade 11, grade 12, we are preparing for GC. Actually, the 2024 GCE registration has started. At only 500 kwacha a month in a group, and that is mathematics only. We also teach individuals, right? Want to be taught one-on-one, you can contact us, we discuss, look at the modalities, then we should be able to charge as such. So our charges reflect our services that we offer. We offer very comprehensive lessons, online live lessons. We do not teach via WhatsApp or what. No. We teach you as if you're in class. We're able to do the presentation together. We're able to do the calculations. We're able to write notes. You can copy. Where it's not clear, you tell us to erase and rewrite, just as if you're in class, right? So even our charges are such, right? Very fair, in line with the services that we offer, in line with the technology that we are using also, because it's not very cheap to use our kind of platform we're using, all right? So our charges reflect that. All right, so join us today. You can contact us on 0978 6 8 76. That is Mr. Peering. And the second one is 0978 0979 78809. Mr. Mbondo, right? Okay. Then contact us, should be able to help you. All right. Please do not wait until it's too late. So GC candidates, let's start registering. We prepare you. With adequate time, should be able to do wonders. Okay, let's see. The first question is evaluate. Right? Evaluate 5 to the power 3 by 1 over 5 to the power 2. So evaluate means we need to get the final solution. There are a lot of ways. We can even say, let's expand this like this. Then we say this and this. That's 25 and 25 can cancel. Here I got 5 by 1. And this is 5. This is your answer. Right? If you are writing in an exam, you are supposed to write 5 here. Or an alternative method is, you can say, you introduce a 1 here. So I've got 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 2. Right? This can be written as 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 2. All right? So according to the laws of indices, when the bases are the same, we keep the base and subtract the powers. So 3 minus 2. This is 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power 1 is 5. All right? Basically, that's how you're supposed to get that. Okay. How do we expand and simplify? So we are going to multiply this with that. So you get the first term here, which is 2a. All right? So it's 2a multiplied by 3a minus 4 plus 3, 3a minus 4 as well. All right? Then you get this one and multiply. Okay, so take your time. Don't need to panic. Take your time. Multiply 2a by 3a. So we're saying 2a by 3a. 2 by 3 is 6. A by a. So we're saying a by a. Because this is power 1 and this is power 1. So you can just add the powers. Keep the base and add the powers. So it becomes a to the power 1 plus 1. A to the power 2, which is a squared. So this is 6a squared. 6a squared. Okay, I hope that is fine. 6a squared. So 2a minus 4a by negative 4a, negative 8a plus 9a when you multiply that minus 12. So we check if we have got like terms. If we do this, negative 8a plus 9a, you can just deal with it, negative 8 plus 9. Then you put the a if you want. So negative 8 plus 9 is 1, generate 1a, right? Or just a. This is 6a squared plus a minus 12. Right. Then go to the next question. Solve the equation. The equation is 4x to the power 2 minus 9x. Right? So we can try to create a quadratic equation, right? Is equal to, so not minus. So 4x squared, you can rewrite this as 9x is equal to 0. Then we check for the factor first, common factor. This is x and the x squared and x, so we can factor out x, so 4x. X into 4x squared is 4x minus 9, it gives us 0. So by the 0 product, so x will be equal to 0, or x 4x minus 9 is the one which is 0, implying that 4x is equal to 0 plus 9. All right, so 4x is equal to 9, you can divide by 9, by 4, sorry, by 4. So x is equal to 9 over 4. So 4 into 9 to 1 over 4. All right? Okay. 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 All right. Sorry for that. All right. So the next question, question 3, this one should be question 4. A shade. Now, if you want to shade, the best is create about 8 regions here for these say this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Doesn't matter where you start from. Then you can identify A intersection B. I'm just doing this so that you can easily see it, but it's very easy to shade direct, right? So A intersection B complement. What are the elements? The elements are 1, 3, 4. Right. Okay, take note, there's a question here. So this B6. Yeah, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. All right. So let that be 6. So it means A intersection B complement is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. All right. Then if you want to do it nicely, compare it to set C now. Then bring down set C, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Then we get the intersection. So A intersection B complement as a set, intersection C as a set. The elements that are in both. 3, you can see 3 and 3. So you can go, you write 3 here. You can see 4 and 4. So you write 4. You can see 5 here and 5. So you write 5. So where these numbers are, that's where you need to shade. Shade. So you have got 3 here. What else? 4 here. What else? 5. So this is the area we are talking about. To shade that, the answer space. Okay. Go to number 5. Good. Factorize completely. Question 5. Factorize completely. So we need to, because there are 4 terms like that, you need to group them. All right. If I start with the 2AB, I need to bring a term which has got either A or B. All right. So you have minus 2AY. Can you even bring this? Because this has got A, then plus XY minus BX, right? So here we use common factors. And what is common is 2 and A. So we say open bracket. We say 2A into 2AB is B minus Y, right? Now, you can see that here Y is negative. So you must be careful with the sign that you are going to put here. We should convert this to negative, all right? And the only sign that you need here is negative. Okay. So when you compare the variables, x, the one that is common, right? So this is negative y plus b. All right. Now, this one and this one, they're exactly the same. Doesn't matter the order. As long as the signs are the same. So we'll say 2a minus x, b minus y. This is your solution. Your solution. Your solution. Okay. So please join us today. Join us today. Join us today. Join us today. All right. So let's look at the next question, number 6. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so let's look at this one. A company declares an annual dividend of 6%. The value of each share is 25. Mr. Mapesa has 500 shares. Find the annual dividend. So we're saying annual dividend, according to this question, is 6%. So 6 divided by 100 or 25 by the number of shares that this person has, all right? So this and this will cancel. So we have 6 by 5 by 25. This is 30 by 25. So 3 by 25 is 75. Then you attach a 0. So this is the annual dividend. All right. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. We have got 5, 12, and 19 as our sequence. So when you check here, there's a common difference. When you check the common difference is T2 minus T3. Sorry, the other way around. You can say T2 minus T1. Okay, which is 12 minus 5, and the answer is 7. So the 60th term. The 60th term. So the Tn. This is the general formula for an AP, right? So the 60th term is given by this general formula, A plus n minus 1 close times the common difference. Okay, so this is equal to, our first term is 5 plus 6 minus 1 times n. 5 plus, this is 5 by 7, so 5 by 7. 5 plus 35, and the answer here will be 14, all right? Now, B, if you want, you can give it a pause it and try to get it, all right? The nth term. So we are going to use the general formula, A plus n minus 1 times D. Okay, so what do we get? Tn, it will be Tn because we are talking about nth term. Our first term is 5 plus n minus 1 times the common difference is 7. Tn is equal to 5 plus 7n minus 7. So when you distribute the 7, you get that. So this is equal to 5 minus 7 plus 7n, give us negative 2 plus 7n. All right. We go to question 8. Question 8. The distance between town F and town G is 8,900 nautical miles. If a plane takes 18 hours to fly from F to G, find its average speed. We are saying average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled, or the total distance covered, divided by total time. So we're saying average speed is equal to distance divided by time. And the distance here is 8,100 nautical miles, just like that, divided by the time taken. Now, since this is paper one, we may try to reduce it bit by bit. You can say 9 here is 2. 9 into 81 is 9. So we have 900. 2 into 900 is 450. So here the units are nautical miles and the time is hours. Nautical miles per hour simply means knots. That is why they're telling us to find the speed in knots. All right, B. B is east of A. So it means when, if for example, if you have got these longitudes, and maybe a latitude here, okay, they may not, let's not bring the latitude, we just maintain the longitude. So B is here and A is here, all right? In other words, A is west of B. Now, when it is 11 hours at B here it is 11 hours. It is 07 hours here. Here, it is 07 hours. Find the difference in longitude. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the difference in time. So difference or time difference here is 4 hours. All right? Is 4 hours. All right? When you subtract to find that it is 4 hours. Now, how do you find the difference in degrees or longitude? So 1 hour gives us 15 degrees. How about 4 hours? All right? This will give us x. We can get rid of these units, the hours. So you just cross multiply. So x is equal to 4 by 15. So x is equal to 60 degrees. So the difference in the longitudes is supposed to be 60. Okay. So here is 450, here it is 60 degrees, right? All right. Given that the matrix C is that, let's find the transpose. So C transpose will be equal to 73, 14, 25. We just swap. Make the columns into rows or rows into columns. All right. So B, we need to multiply 18 by 202 negative 15. What do we have? So it's row by column. So 1 by 0 plus 8 by 2. All right. Then we also have, we leave a space, 1 by negative 1 plus 8 by 5. This is what we are supposed to have. So this is it. 0 plus 16, negative 1 plus 40. So answer here will be 16, 39. These are the answers we needed to write here. 7, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 16, 39. Okay, doesn't matter the brackets. Okay. 10. The probability of a school waking up late is 0.3. What's the probability that you wake up early? So probability of waking up late plus probability of waking up early should produce a 1. So mean that probability that you wake up early is equal to 1 minus probability that you wake up late, right? So 1 minus 0.3. This is 0.7. It is a subtract. Okay. The following diagram shows a sector with radius 6. The angle there is theta, and the area of the sector is 24.2. Find theta. All right, so we are saying area of a sector is theta divided by 360 times pi r squared. All right, so area of a sector is 24.2. Theta divided by 360 times our pi. Our pi has been given 22 over 4. Sorry, divided by 7 times our radius is 6. It is 6 by 6. Now, when you multiply 6 by 6 here, you get 36. So we can say 36 into 360, we have got 10. Right? Then we can say 2 here is 11, 2 here is 5. Okay. So you have 24.2 over 1 is equal to theta over 5 times 11 over 7. Cross multiply. So we have theta times 11 is equal to 24.2 by 5 by 7. You can divide this by 11 and divide this by 11. So you do not have a calculator, so you just need to be a bit skillful. So we can say maybe 5 here is 1, 5 into 11 is 2.2. All right, so 24.2 by 7 divided by 2.2. Now, to get rid of the decimal point, we can multiply by 10. So theta is equal to 2242. When you multiply 10 by 24.2, it will be 2. It will be 242 divided by 22 times times 7. All right. What number can we use? Maybe 2. So 2 here into 22 is 11. 2 into 242 is 121 times 11. Now, 11 into 121 is 11. So you have 11 times 7. Theta is 77. You just have to be a bit skillful. Sometimes it might take a longer time. Okay, so this is where we end for this presentation. Thank you for watching, and please continue subscribing to our channels. All right, and join our online lessons, and you never go wrong. Thanks so much. It has been Kamban. Till next time, shalom, shalom.